Hi friends, method 1. Open settings app, tap on this icon, then select additional settings, tap on this additional settings, then go down, then select backup and reset, then select erase all data. Here we can see reset network settings. So this will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings. Tap on this, then select reset network settings. Now resetting, please wait. Okay, done. If this is not fixing your problem, you can try reset system settings only. Tap on this option, then select reset system settings only, then again tap on reset system settings only. So this is a method 1. So let me go to method 2. Open settings app, tap on this icon, then select SIM card and mobile data, then select SIM 1 or SIM 2. Let me go to SIM 1, then select access point name. So here you can see 2 dots on top right corner. Tap on that, then select reset access points. Tap here, then tap on reset access points. Now it's restoring. So this will delete existing APN and recreate a new working APN. So this is a method 2. Method 3. Open settings app, tap on this icon, then select SIM card and mobile data, then make sure that mobile data has enabled this option, then select SIM 1 or SIM 2. Let me select SIM 1. Then we need to disable and enable SIM. Now I am disabling it, then enable. So after that we need to make sure that data roaming has enabled. So here we can see data roaming. Make sure that this is enabled. Then preferred network type, this should be auto, or we can manually select 4G, 3G, 2G and 5G option. Then carrier, this should be auto select. We can also manually select the carrier, that also we can try. So this is a method 3. Method 4. Restart the mobile phone. We need to switch off and switch on the mobile phone, then check the network problem. Method 5. We need to eject the SIM card, then reinsert, then check the network issue. Eject and reinsert the SIM card. So that is a method 5. Method 6. We need to reboot phone into safe mode. Then we need to uninstall newly installed application. So that is the method 6. So these are the 6 methods. Please try it.